Last one. I worked with Hewlett-Packard, who's about to have a new CEO. We learned at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Our own Meg Whitman will be CEO of HP. But anyway, back in the old day, I worked on something called the HP backpack printer. And it never went to the moon, but I just love the shot. So anyway, you can imagine. So this is how the backpack printer worked. Anybody have a backpack printer? Why would you have one? Students running across campus, they're late. Could you push F6 for me? Paper starts, no. What it was is pretty much like this, is people doing environmental sampling, and what they're doing is collecting stuff from streams, and they want to put a barcode on it, so somebody's got a battery-operated printer, they could push the button, get the barcode, and go. The problem was, we were seeing lots of warranty problems at HP, and they want to know what was going on. So we just threw the data into a black box data mining algorithm called a neural network, and it popped out and it said the most important variable was zip code. Zip code. Okay, so zip code. What am I going to do with zip code? So another friend of mine, smarter than I am, just said, let's just throw them up on a map. Let's see where the problems are. So this is what we got. So now I get the big bucks for asking really stupid questions. So my first question was, do you sell it anywhere besides like in the Intermountain West there? Because I could tell you, if you only sell it there, you're getting problems where it's being used. And nowhere else. That would be useful, wouldn't it? So they said, no, we sell this all over the United States. So now we have data mining, and now we have to get some human intelligence in here. I have to get the chemists and everybody together. So you're going to be the chemists, you're going to be the engineers. So what's going on here? Altitude. So we say altitude. So I look at the chemists, I go altitude, and they go, altitude, altitude. Forget that. Okay, and that's not it. So anything else? What else is unusual about that area? I heard humidity over here. I say humidity, I see 3 chemists go. Because they actually developed this thing here. Lauren? Wet. They never even thought about it. They couldn't test it under really dry conditions. And when they got that, they went into the lab, opened it up, saw dust particles in the little ink jets. The viscosity of the ink was all wrong. They did about 2 weeks of reformulation, retesting. Done, shipped out. Now, is that data mining? Is it human intelligence? Is it experimental design? Yes, it's all of those things. Data mining is great for getting clues. We have to put it together with it. So that's my last thought, is that where this stuff really works is when you've got good data, domain knowledge about your subject, data mining, and some thinking. It's not cheating to think in all of this business, and that's where you get successful data mining. So I'm going to stop there.